Kumbushika Once Upon a Dance. Introducing to you our first Once Upon a Dance class.
From the 18th to 19th, tupatane hapa Nairobi Club Ngong Road from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m.
From beginners to intermediate to even professional levels. All levels of dancers are welcome. Come with your family, your friends, even your boyfriend and girlfriend.
You'll get a chance to learn different dance styles, even in yani amapiano, hip hop, gengeton, and more.
I know you're asking, what's the entry fee? What's the catch? Kini sijali, absolutely free, yani no charges at all. So kazi yako ni kufika tu hapa.
Na mtu akitaka kuregister, namba iko hapo chini kwa posta. Unadia hapo WhatsApp utagua kila kitu. Na mtu anaweza kuja na nini? Unakuja tu na energy, good vibes na confidence pekee yake.
Come, welcome. Let's have fun.